It's Thanksgiving and I wanted to make a video documenting this sweet potato harvest, or what I will hope to be a sweet potato harvest. So this is a 35-gallon planter, and I have basically used this as my container to grow sweet potatoes. So it's been about 6 months now, and I am about to harvest this sweet potato container, and I basically wanted to document it. This is actually the first time that I've ever really done this on this scale, so it's going to be interesting to see just how many sweet potatoes are in this actual compost bin. I'm basically going to start by just cutting all of the sweet potato vine off around the container, and then basically once all the vines are removed, then I'm just going to start digging my hands into the soil to actually search for potatoes.
I love you, baby. I wanna be with you all night long, till we wake up in the morning and I realize you're ugly. Ari just brought me a drink.
Just so that you can see, all of the vine has basically been removed, and now it is as simple as just pulling these thicker roots in the hopes that there will be some sweet potatoes underneath. Look at this. Cowboy! Cowboy! Look at this. Look at this. Over here. Over here. Over here. Look. Look. Cowboy, look at this potato. Look at this potato, boy. Look. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Holy shit. Cowboy, look. Holy. Cowboy, cowboy, cowboy. Look. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. So again, I pretty much do this every Thanksgiving, but I had never done it in a container. And this is awesome. Holy shit. And now I have so many potatoes, I literally could leave the whole other half of this if I wanted. But let's keep going. So, it's kind of like fishing, you know? If it's not big, you could just throw it back. I bet there's probably a ton on this side. Huge vine over here. Wow, look at this. Cowboy. Look at this, boy. Cowboy. Look at this. Holy shit. So here's one that was growing actually above ground. Wow, this is kind of impressive. I mean, these potatoes are perfect. Look at that. There you go. No more? So that was probably about at least 10 pounds of sweet potato so far. And these things are perfect. Look at these. So nice. Oh wow, here's one. The bottom. Wow. So cool. And who knows how many more are in here. If I dig much deeper. Oh look, snake. Cowboy, snake. Snake. Over here. Over here. Look. Look. Right here. Cowboy loves snakes. Cowboy loves snakes. Oh, oh, look at this one. Wow. Monstrous. That's like a 2-pound potato. And there's my Thanksgiving sweet potato harvest.
Uno, dos, tres. Uno, dos, tres. I love you, baby. I wanna be with you all night long. Till we wake up in the morning and I realize you're ugly. Ari's brought me a drink. She's my favorite friend's daughter. Until Abby can make a drink, then she's got competition.